Linglening, a white male, 2 years old, date of birth October 1st, 2014. He is 24 to 30 inches tall, weighs 30 pounds, and has brown hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a turquoise t-shirt, khaki shorts, and black Nike sandals. Police are looking for Teresa Marie Walker, white female, 30 years old, date of birth December 18th, 1985. She is 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 160 pounds, and has brown hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a green shirt and blue jeans. In connection with this abduction, the suspect is driving a silver 2016 Jeep Compass with a Florida license plate number CTKP80.
It said the Guadalupe
The suspect was last heard from in Staples, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Guadalupe County Sheriff's Office at 830-379-1224.
Too bad.
This is no...
Whoa. Where'd Dad go? Wow. Heard all of this stuff go off. It doesn't show... The green is not as rich if it's shown on the phone. But in real life, it's a lot richer. If anyone has a zone guard that's gone out for an advisory, then they know what it actually looks like. See, it looks something like that. That's pretty close. Yeah. Heard about this. I saw this on my phone. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit so you can see it. Yeah. I got this on my phone about a half hour ago. Oh, Dad's gone. That's where he went. Okay. There's my mom's card. The license plate has its own censorship. That's really nice, so I don't have to edit it. What?
You scared me when you opened the door.
Oh, I thought the radio scared you. Right. That's it.